just pop it up onto the ceiling of your microwave and you're good to go. So those are my, whoa, I don't know what I just did. Thank God for microwaves, a modern marvel of cooking technology that has been making life simpler and faster and more efficient in the kitchen for more than 45 years. But here's the question. Do you know everything you need to know about microwaves? Hey, I'm Kim, the Millennials Mom, here with tips and advice to help you master your home and navigate your life. And I actually don't know everything there is to know about microwaves, but I can tell you 4 things you might want to know. First thing that you want to know about your microwave oven is that most of the microwave ovens radiate their energy in a circular pattern, and there's a little dead spot, a low energy spot in the middle. That is why when you have a frozen burrito or a frozen slab of lasagna, the outside will overcook and get rubbery, but the inside's still cold or even frozen. What you want to do is you want to take your food into slices and spread them to the outside of your plate when you're cooking. That way it gets cooked evenly. If I have something loose, like a fajita mixture or something, a lot of times I'll heat it about halfway through, and then I'll take it out and I'll take a spoon and I'll just kind of sort of flip the food, the inside to the outside and vice versa, and stir it up so that it gets heated more evenly and it doesn't get burned in certain areas. So there you go. Next thing, say no to the plasticware and to styrofoam. They have chemicals in them called dioxins, and when they get hot in the microwave, they will actually release those toxins into your food, and you don't want that. They say that they actually are making, there's some manufacturers that are making new plasticware that you can put in your microwave that doesn't release the dioxins. I just have like this mental block of I'd rather be safe than sorry. So what I actually prefer to use is a glass plate. This particular one is kind of a beat up plate, but I bought it at a restaurant supply store. I think I saw them at Dollar Tree last year. But it's glass, but it's tempered and it doesn't break, and it's got a nice thick lip on it, so if juices come out of the food, they don't drip everywhere. Cleans up really fast, goes in the dishwasher, and I just prefer to cook all my food on this, and then when it's done, I either eat it on here or I'll move it over to the plate that I want to serve on. But I highly recommend you guys just stick with glass. Most of you guys already know you never put metal in the microwave, but how many of you guys have ever actually seen what happens? I kid you not, it is like the 4th of July in there. Last week, I had a paper cup of something, and I had one of those little tear-off aluminum lid sort of things, and I peeled it off, but there were still little tiny pieces of metal around the outside that I never even noticed. I put that in there, and 15-20 seconds later, I hear this boom, and I look down, and there's like giant blue sparks coming off, not even little ones, just boom. So I obviously grabbed the door and yanked it open and saved myself from ruining a microwave, but I'm just telling you guys, it hates metal. One thing that you want to keep an eye out for too is if you buy plates, you want to keep an eye out on whether or not they have a gold rim or a silver rim. Anything metallic on it will still in the microwave explode. Now this particular plate for me, I like things that have little gold trims and stuff and gilding on it. But what I did when I found this plate is that all of this gold on here is actually not metallic. It's mustard colored paint that's made shiny. And it looks like gold, but it doesn't explode in the microwave. So just keep an eye out on the metal rims that you actually even might have on servingware that you have. One more thing, I highly recommend that you guys get a food cover for your microwave. You pop this thing over the food while it's cooking, it splatters up on top of this, and it doesn't get all over the sides and ceiling of your microwave, and it comes clean really easily with soap and water. This particular little bad boy I found at Bed Bath & Beyond about 4 months ago, and it's got magnets on the top of it, and I'm like, where have you been all my life? You just, when you're done using it, you just pop it right up on the top of your microwave and you're good to go. Man, I wish that thing had been made months and months and months ago. So I have a question for you. Do you know anything else about microwaves that I personally need to know, or you think anybody else would need to know? Leave it in the comments. If you found this helpful at all, I have more videos that you might like to see. There's also a subscribe button and you know what to do. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.